So in this CapCut tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add subtitles to a video here on CapCut. So once you have CapCut opened up on your device, make sure that you have a video inserted. Now, this video is just super plain and simple. It's just a stock video of the like and subscribe button here on YouTube. But if you wanted to add, let's just say you have a voiceover for whatever reason, or if you have, audio playing or whatever the case is, and you want to add some subtitles, it's super simple. It's a little tedious, but it's super simple. First thing you have to do is just, have your video and then go to the bottom and press on text. Now there's AI writer, add text stickers, auto captions. You can do whatever you want. So you can either do auto captions, which is probably an easy way if you have a voice recording, or what you can do is the more manual way of adding subtitles. Go to where it says add text right here and just type in text. So hello, or I'll just say like and subscribe. Nice and simple. There you go. I'm going to go to the font and make sure that everything is good to go. So I'm going to go like and subscribe here. Once that is done, I'm going to press that. I'm going to move this kind of at the bottom just like that. So for example, if we were to play this video, it could say like and subscribe. Now if you wanted to maybe add another thing, you can just go here, add some more text and sort of play around with it and time it so that when you're saying, so let's just say for example I say like and subscribe, I can end right there, move this a little bit more this way, and then you can add another caption or another subtitle to the video and sort of do it that way. Or as I mentioned before, you can go to add text, or sorry, you can go to where it says auto caption. You can press on auto caption. It can either go from the video, from a voiceover, or whatever the case may be. So a lot of different ways you can sort of add captions slash subtitles here to your video. But yeah, that is pretty much how you guys can add subtitles to a video here on CapCut. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.